We will be taking the pattern of half a circle. So practice first how to draw a straight line. Then join that straight line with half a circle just like letter C. Alphabet C. Then we need to practice a simple curve. This way. Okay. Then we need to practice a wave. So first take a sheet, practice these 3 patterns. Join a sleeping line. Join that sleeping line with alphabet C. And remember, don't go in a full curve at the one time. First draw the half C till this point, then half C from this point. So you will get a proper half a circle. Now in this half a circle, we will be drawing, taking this point. And in this point, again we will draw a letter C. Now close that letter C with sleeping line. Then draw a curve which we pattern number 2. Now you got it. This looks like a shark. Yes, we are making shark. C. Okay. Now the turn comes for a mouth. A shark has a big mouth. Okay, with the big sharp teeth. We're going to draw a letter V, a zigzag pattern. V, V, V. Okay. Now let's draw our eyes. How are we going to draw our eyes? Draw a big circle. In that big circle, we will draw a small circle. Okay. And don't forget the water. Yes, a wave, up and down, up and down. And remember, the shark fin will peep out from the water. Don't close it. Yes, see? And now you can color the way you wish to. Bye-bye. Enjoy shark.